Hello friends, I am Dr. Nagaraj from Regional Institute of Education, Mysore. I am here to demonstrate the technique of staining of buccal epithelial cell for identification of mitochondria. First, let us recall what is mitochondria. Mitochondria are double membrane bound organelles found in most eukaryotic cells. They generate most of the cell's energy in the form of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. That is why they are called as powerhouse of the cell. Next, what is the number of mitochondria in a cell? The number of mitochondria in a cell depends on the type and quantity of work that the cell performs. That is, it depends on the energy demand of the cell. For example, the muscle cell have many mitochondria as it performs lot of contraction and relaxation. Similarly, heart, liver, kidney cells. How did the mitochondria originated? Mitochondria thought to be derived from the aerobic bacteria that invade the proto-eukaryotic cells more than a billion years ago and lived in endosymbiotic relationship with the host cell. Now, let us recall what are epithelial cells. They are the basic type of cells that lines the surface of our body, including skin, blood vessels, urinary tract, buccal cavity, etc. They are squamous or columnar or cuboidal shape. They perform variety of functions that include protection, secretion, absorption, excretion, filtration, diffusion, sensory and reception. Now, the question is, why buccal epithelial cells are selected to stain mitochondria? Because they are easily obtained by swabbing the inner side of the cheek. Relatively non-invasive way to collect cells, and they are larger compared to the prokaryotic cells. Now we shall see what are the materials required. Janus green, dilute glycerin, embryo cup, petri dish, needle, cover slip, micro slides, ice cream spoons and compound microscope. Next, how to do this experiment? First, using a wooden ice cream spoon, collect the epithelial cell from the buccal cavity by gently scraping the inner side of the cheek. Now, smear this epithelial cell on a micro slide. Allow it to dry in the air for 10 minutes. Stain the smear for 8 to 10 minutes by adding 2 to 4 drops of Janus green stain. And spread it to the entire smear by tilting the slide. Now the question is, why to use Janus green stain? Because it is a basic and vital stain. It stains mitochondria supravitally. It changes its color according to the amount of oxygen present. It oxidizes into blue color when the oxygen is present. In its absence, it changes into pink. So, on observation, the mitochondria looks blue color. After 10 minutes, gently wash the slide in running tap water. Dry the slide in the air for 10 minutes. Place a drop of dilute glycerin on the smear and cover it with cover slip. Observe under compound microscope and record your observation. What are the ways to boost mitochondria? 1. Physical exercise is the best way. Do at least 30 minutes activity daily. Eat fewer calories. Practice intermittent fasting. Throw away refined carbohydrates. Eat quality proteins. Reduce stress and have 8 hours sleep per day. Evaluate yourself. I hope you would have understood the technique and enjoyed learning. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.